So we're growing iceberg lettuce, which people think is not that healthy, and maybe it's not that healthy. It's mostly water, but I love iceberg lettuce, and basically I grew up not eating it because it's like never organic and not that nutrient dense. But
Mommy,
this is organic iceberg lettuce. You can see it's making the heads here.
oh, look, I found our roly-poly.
Oh, another roky pokey. And you can see they're making really nice heads, but you can see it's much greener than the iceberg lettuce that you have in the stores. And the interesting thing is there's all this excess lettuce that they must just throw away. That's so delicious on the outside of the heads. And so it's interesting to me that you think of iceberg lettuce as literally only this interior piece, but there's all this beautiful lettuce on the outside. So this is my first time growing it, and we're really excited, and it's so good.